Imagine it's December 31st, 2025. You've crushed your goals, your finances are thriving, you're in the best shape of your life, and your relationships are stronger than ever. Sounds incredible, right? Here's the kicker. This isn't just a dream, it can be a reality, and I'm going to show you how to get there with some simple steps. Step 1. Embrace stillness. In the quiet moments, clarity emerges. Breathe deeply. Let go of the noise. Focus on what truly matters to you. Write it down, not in a rush, but with intention. Step 2. Mindful action. Take small, mindful steps. Every action, no matter how small, carries meaning when done with purpose. Whether it's learning a skill, tending to a task, or simply being present, the journey unfolds one step at a time. Step 3. Reflect and adjust. Like a river carving its path, growth is not a straight line. Learn from your moments of struggle and flow. Celebrate your progress, no matter how subtle. Step 4. Exercise or meditate to train your mind. Every morning, do any kind of exercise you want, because when you are healthy from your mind, you can be productive in your life. Unlocking your potential isn't about racing to the finish line. It's about finding balance, embracing the process, and aligning with your true self. Begin today. Breathe, act, and grow. Your potential is already within you.